To transfer eSIM from your previous device to OnePlus 15, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. That means OnePlus 15. Next step is to enter mobile network and click on the eSIM right here. Make sure that the eSIM is activated and then you'll be able to add your eSIM. Accidentally, I pressed on disable. Let's just enable it real quick. Now we need to wait till it checks for any network info, and then we'll see a button transfer SIM from another device. Click on it and then select Android device right here. You will see a QR code. So what you need to do on your older device is open a QR code scanner. Then you can scan this QR code and follow instructions on screen. If you follow them carefully, you'll be able to transfer your previous eSIM to this device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.